Hello, and welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders, again featuring social distancing. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Matt.
Today we're going to be bringing you a new series where we're going to actually be talking about some of the liqueurs. Today we're going to start off this journey with Buffalo Trace's Bourbon Cream.
Mm-hmm.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you can tell when we're coming on next.
All right, so Buffalo Trace Bourbon Cream, which is 30 proof. Yay! It's a mix of Buffalo Trace, actual Kentucky bourbon whiskey, and rich cream and a hint of sugar. It's a liqueur, which is an alcoholic drink made up of distilled spirits and adding sugars, fruits, herbs, spices. So that's the definition of what a liqueur is. And
So essentially we're just drinking a mixed drink that's been bottled for us.
kind of. So they're often served neat over ice in coffee for dessert. But originally liqueur started with monks in the 13th century using them as medicines. So we think that's a great medicine. Thank you, monks, for doing a good job.
For real.
So we also started whiskey, so we thank them again. So once again, monks do great work.
Yay,
So-
months.
So this is the beautiful Buffalo Trace Bourbon Cream. This is actually an allocated item. This is kind of hard to get. But we wanted to start with it because I think our first episode that we ever did was Buffalo Trace. So I thought, what liqueur would be a better one to start with Buffalo Trace Bourbon Cream.
I like it.
I think that's a fair assessment, Matt.
Yep.
I'm not getting a lot on the nose.
I get cream.
Cream.
Me too. It's very, very
I like
creamy
it.
on the nose. And I'm even using these small little tulip shapes, little mini Glencairns that really help concentrate the flavors of things. But again, because this is, I'm guessing mostly because it was refrigerated, so we're trying to smell something that's cold.
Yeah.
True.
Your nose just doesn't pick up on a lot of the smells that way.
True. I guess we could try.
But
more.
it is creamy. There are hints of alcohol in there.
There's
but
definitely
less than I would expect at even 30%.
Yeah.
So-
Well, 30 proof. It's 15%.
Oh,
right.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That
So it's
makes-
almost very little alcohol in here.
That makes a lot more sense. So we're talking wine territories of
Yes.
alcohol. Okay.
So I can drink a whole bottle. Just kidding.
Sure. Why not?
I drink a lot of coffee, folks. This might be really good in it.
It might be. No doubt.
All right. I'm going into for the palate because
Yeah,
honestly, I'm just not getting a lot for the nose.
Ooh.
It's tasty.
Yeah, I'm gonna be putting that in my coffee, folks. That's actually really good. I get a lot of the times when you get a liqueur, you get this funky alcohol zing
Mhm.
on it, and it takes away from the rest of the flavor that you're supposed to be getting from said liqueur. This doesn't have that. It doesn't have any kind of weird aftertaste or anything.
No, it's
good.
It tastes like real sugar was used. It doesn't taste like it was an artificial sweetener.
It tastes a little chocolatey.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Little mocha, a little cream.
Little mocha,
Mhm.
yeah.
And then the bourbon is just kind of lingering.
Right.
Yeah. You get the
Just
little
fair.
bourbon.
Yeah.
Little bit, a little bit of your caramel and vanilla from the bourbon. Cream, like you said,
I
slightly
could
bourbony.
totally see somebody just drinking this over ice.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, I have
Absolutely.
plenty of times.
Yeah, put it in some coffee, drink it overnight, ice, put it over some ice cream.
Yeah,
My favorite thing would be to mix it into a milkshake,
Yeah.
blend it up with some ice cream. I think I have some ice cream in the freezer.
I think I might add some Buffalo Trace to that milkshake and make it real tasty.
Yes. So some of this and some of that. Some of the Buffalo Trace.
Should do that.
I like it.
I actually like it. It tastes pretty
Yeah.
good.
I think if you're into a little bit sweeter things, or like I said, you want to add it to your coffee, add some ice, add some Buffalo Trace to it. I think it'd be quite tasty. So yeah, I thought there was something interesting and fun for you guys to do, little different things. But yeah, if you guys like it, let us know in the comments what you think about this. If you've had the Buffalo Trace Bourbon Cream, let us know what you think of it.
Are there better bourbon creams that we need to try?
Yeah, exactly.
Let us know.
What do you want us to do?
Yes.
We're here for you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers.
Cheers.
actually like that a lot.
Yep.
Quite good.